The Healing Place is a nonprofit organization where folks who, men or women, who have drug abuse and alcohol abuse and need a rehab program. They do a great job in getting people healthy. I'm just really very proud of being on that board, to be a part of an organization that works so hard at trying to help others.
I'm very involved in my church, and I have been for many years. I'm also involved in a school, a private school called Nativity Academy, which is downtown. It serves disadvantaged middle school age children.
Just imagine if physicians all over the state had a way to become even more connected within their communities. In 2013, the Kentucky Medical Association established the Community Connector Leadership Program. This KMA initiative is a support system and network for physicians who want to enhance their leadership skills and connect with others to make this state a healthier, better place. It's working.
It started with an idea, and the idea was to provide some forum to bring together physicians and community leaders, business leaders, leaders of various civic organizations together, and to work toward common goals and get to know one another. This program is going to take a lot of activities that for decades have occurred within KMA committees in kind of a centralized place, and it's going to take all that out to other local communities.
Without the Community Connector program, I wouldn't be sitting on the board. I really didn't know the right people to ask to make that connection for me.
A group of doctors at the table came up with the idea of coming up with a program that focused on the well-being of the physician. And one of our doctors came up with the idea of a program that he's called the Physician Health and Wellbeing Initiative.
You might be thinking, sure, it's great to be more involved as a leader, but why is it important for me to do this now? And how am I supposed to find the time?
If I were talking to doctors, I would say that Supplies Overseas was founded by physicians. It achieved its early success and structure by physician leadership. Today, it is one of the more prestigious MSROs in the United States, one of only 15 in the United States, the only one in our region, and that physician leadership is still needed.
It's critical for the next generation of physicians to be involved in some form of organized medicine. Otherwise, the voices are going to get lost in the number of different hands in the pot. Young physicians really have the greatest say in what the future of medicine is going to be like, and the opportunities to lay that groundwork is right now.
If you want to do something every day other than see patients or do surgery, and you want to take your persona of being a physician and make it much more than what it's been day to day, this is for you.
The first step in earning the designation as a KMA Community Connector is to watch a 15-minute webinar that explains the program more in depth. Next, each connector is asked to be a leader within medicine in the community and to participate in a public education activity. KMA can help with all of these requirements.
If somebody asked me, should I be a part of this program or not, or whether it's worth the time to commit to it or not, I would encourage them to go ahead and take the step forward, because every program has an evolutionary process, and without the participation of a variety of physician leaders, I don't think that you're going to get that growth that you need.
Finally, Connectors attend and complete the KMA Leadership Academy, a one-day session designed to sharpen leadership skills and provide current information on topics relevant to physicians.
The difference in a leader who has some leadership skills and a leader that went through some formal training is very evident. They kind of exude competence and confidence.
Once you complete the program, you'll be recognized by the KMA and highlighted in a media release to your community. And you can stay involved as long as you wish, serving your profession and the community. CCLP is a benefit of membership, so it's open to all physician members at no additional fee. In fact, community connectors have the opportunity to direct a small contribution to the charity of their choice. Charities associated with a KMA Community Connector will even be eligible for grants. Just imagine.
Being a better leader, I think, really involves being more knowledgeable. And physicians are natural leaders in the community. But this helps me just be even better.
The reason why it's important for them to be in leadership positions is there's a certain authority. One of the doctors called it the white coat authority, that when a physician with his white coat shows up, people look to them for answers.
Visit the KMA website for more details and to begin your leadership journey today.